It's a 2015 BMW 3 Series. Epitomizing high performance, legendary design, and luxury, the iconic 3 Series serves as the benchmark of the segment it invented. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, heated bucket seats, doors and push-button start proximity key, aluminum wheels, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and memory exterior door mirror settings. Car and Driver writes, "So far, the engine's willing thrust and the transmission's wieldy flexibility have been a joy to exercise. For unbeatable performance and unmatched style, drive a BMW." They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.